Ever wondered how much it truly costs to manage your finances? Is there a one-time fee for a tool like PocketGuard, or is it a recurring subscription? Let's dive into the details and clear up any confusion. In today's fast-paced world, managing personal finances can be a daunting task. With numerous expenses, bills, and investments to track, it's easy to lose sight of your financial goals. Fortunately, financial management apps like PocketGuard can help simplify the process. The big question: one-time fee or subscription? Now, the burning question: is there a one-time fee for PocketGuard? The breakdown. PocketGuard operates on a freemium model, offering a basic version with limited features for free. However, to unlock the full potential of the app, you'll need to subscribe to a premium plan. Why a subscription model? You might wonder why a subscription model instead of a one-time fee. Let's explore the benefits. Continuous innovation. Subscriptions allow developers to invest in ongoing improvements, adding new features and enhancing the user experience. Real-time updates. You'll always have access to the latest financial data and insights. Expert support. Premium subscribers often enjoy priority customer support, ensuring quick resolutions to any issues. Advanced features. Upgrade to a premium plan to unlock advanced features like budgeting tools, investment tracking, and personalized financial advice. How much does a PocketGuard premium subscription cost? The exact cost of a PocketGuard premium subscription can vary depending on the plan you choose and any ongoing promotions. However, it's typically a relatively affordable monthly or annual fee. To get the most accurate and up-to-date pricing information, I recommend visit the PocketGuard website. Check their official website for detailed pricing plans and any current offers. Download the app. The PocketGuard app itself will provide you with specific pricing details and subscription options. Additional tips for maximizing PocketGuard. Set clear financial goals. Use the app to define your short-term and long-term financial objectives. Track your spending habits. Monitor your expenses closely to identify areas where you can cut back. Automate savings. Set up automatic savings transfers to build your emergency fund and invest for the future. Utilize budgeting tools. Create detailed budgets to allocate funds for various categories like housing, transportation, and entertainment. Leverage personalized insights. Take advantage of the app's AI-powered insights to make informed financial decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.